In this class, let's conclude our current scene based on the lighting concepts studied from the previous classes. We're going to add lights to the scene and afterwards render it. Open the concluding project.max file. See how to duplicate the cup created in the previous class by clicking the Clone tool 3 times. For right now, we'll just add lights to the scene for the purpose of illuminating it. Create 4 lights in the scene to illuminate all 4 sides. Access the Command panel, create tab, Lights category. Select Standard Lights in the flyout box. Click Omni. Create the light in the front viewport. Press the Shift Q keys and you'll see a rendering preview. Create 3 copies of this light in the top viewport. When the light is selected, click and drag it to the X-axis while pressing the Shift key. Then, on the cloning screen, select the Instance option. Type 3 in number of copies. The Instance option makes the copies maintain all previous values from the source, even if they are modified. Type 0.25 for the light intensity value. Then, in the multiplier field located on the Modifiers tab Intensity Color Attenuation, let's see the scene preview. Now let's create a light to add special effects to the scene, as well as to project object shadows. Go to Command Panel, create tab, Lights, Standard Light, and click Target Spot. This creates a target spot, as shown here. This type shines a cone-shaped light straight to a specific location. Go to the Modifier tab, Command Panel, then the General Parameters group and enable the object shadow, clicking On. Now render it to view the scene. Increase the spotlight intensity. Render the scene again and see the object highlights. You can change the light settings as you wish. Then, to conclude our design, let's render the image and save it as an image file. Open Render Setup option and then in Time Output, define the single option to render only 1 frame. Then, in Output Size, select the Custom option and click 800 by 600 to define the image size. In Render Output, define the File Saving option by clicking Files and select the Course File folder. Name the file as Accept a Cup of Tea, and in File Type, select JPG. As this file is for finished work, select Best and click OK for confirmation. After defining the view as perspective, click Render. See how the final image of our design is ready and saved in the previously defined folder. So in this exercise, you have concluded an image based on a modest application of global illumination. You still have lots to learn about illumination and rendering tools. Using your acquired technical knowledge, you can create images in a specified context, which could be realistic, technical, or animation designs.